want to know what exactly your risk to reward ratio was, or how many bars your trade encapsulated without doing the math yourself? Well, TradingView makes this very easy for you to find out. Simply go to the left toolbar and find the Forecasting and Measurements tool menu. It's located right here. Once you've done that, select the type of position you took. You have the option to select a long or a short. For example, say we took a long. We would simply click where we opened our long, and for example, say we opened it here, and then we'll set where our imaginary take profit and stop loss was. Now that we've done that, TradingView automatically calculated the risk to reward ratio for our imaginary trade of a 6.87. And now we also know how many bars our profit encapsulated as well as our stop loss. Have a great day, guys.